I think that's the entire week, my friends, where I have started every video out here, right in this spot, as I'm heading for a walk. It's been a tough week, folks, but thanks to these walks and these talks, I'm doing just fine. I know I have a lot of new subs out there, so for those of you new to me, I have fibromyalgia, I have disc degenerative disease, I have spondylosis in my neck from a broken neck 30 years ago, and PTSD with bugs in my face. PTSD with a real strong bout of depression. Wow, there's a lot of little bugs right in this neighborhood here. Oh, I know why, that fruit tree. Cherry tree right there. So, I go out on walks often. Hang on. A walk is a way to get out of my head and to get some of the things that need to be said on here. And then, somehow, sometimes, it helps one of you. So, if y'all are enjoying what I'm doing, please give it the old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell because YouTube isn't going to tell you when I have something new. And it's almost every day. Almost every day. And what's going on today? I'm heading down to the river. I'm going to have a little fun down there, just watch the river go by. I've got my trusty CBD pen with me, and I'm going to have some CBD, and I'm going to relax. I really need that. But you stick with me. This next montage is going to also include, if I remember, and I'll try to, is also going to include a few shots of me making my long, slow-cooked pork tenderloin. Check my cooking playlist if you haven't seen me cook. But I'll just show a few shots of it. We're having a day of pork roast, a beautiful pork tenderloin, and other stuff. I don't know yet. Just placing the day together. And I am thinking of, and comment below, I'd love to know your thoughts on doing another 4-day tolerance break. I haven't done a tolerance break in about 6 months, and I think it's about time, but I didn't want to do it during the summer. I find during a tolerance break, I get very touchy, moody, even sometimes angry. And I don't want that around my young son, who during the summer is with me every single day. So, school's about to start, and I'm thinking when he's in school, maybe not the first week, but by week 2, so a couple of weeks from now, that I would do a 4-day tolerance break. For those of you who don't know, some people do a 28-day tolerance break because it takes 28 days for your body to release 100% of all that is attached to the cannabinoid receptors in your body. So the THC and the CBD that is attached currently and stays attached for a certain amount of time, I don't know all the details, those take 28 days to totally clear. That's why over time, because you have thousands of these receptors, some of them grab THC and hang on to them, or CBD and hang on to them. So the next time you toke, you have less receptors to receive it, and then they'll let go and they may grab a few more. But why a 4-day break? Well, the first 92% of all your cannabinoid receptors let go after 4 days of the receptors not getting anything. It's kind of your body saying, hey, that medicine that was there, I'm ready for it again. If you really want to clear yourself and give yourself a break, yes, 28 days is the way to go. But if you're like me and you're in severe pain, 4 days is the most you can go, because I'm going to be in a lot of pain at the end of it. Got kind of deep into that subject. So what do you think? Should I do it, and should I take you along the ride? The 4-day ride, maybe a separate video. I don't know. Let's work on this together. I've always said this channel is all of ours. I don't drive, you drive. I'm just the tour guide. You guys tell me where you want to go. I'll tell you all about the place when we get there. I'll study up if I don't know. Peace and cheers, friends. Love and harmony. Let's start the music. Gordy's been talking too damn much. So first, pitter patter. Let's get at her. Let the music calm down, and we continue on. How y'all doing? I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please thumbs up that sucker. I like the thumbs up. I can't help it. Every other YouTuber I've spoken to, even though it means not much, it means something to us. So thumbs up, my friends, thumbs up. And I do hope you enjoyed it. It was a good day yesterday. I still have that migraine. It doesn't want to leave. The weather is just fluctuating like crazy. Yesterday, as I showed you, it was colder. And it wasn't supposed to rain at all. And then last night, we got a rainstorm to just, wow, it was huge. I'll put a little inset up here for a second. You can see, it's just Amazing. Then, overnight it got really, really bitterly cold, and I don't know what's going to happen today, but it's supposed to warm up. And therein lays the rub, as is said. That's what gets my head. But it's okay. I got out of bed. I gotta stop doing that. I'm not a good rhymer. I just tend to hear a rhyme and I run with it. And we need to look at little known facts because this video has gone on long. But I tend to lose my place, and I've lost my place. So we're going to start right here, friends. The electric chair was invented by a dentist, kind of big deal there. A Boeing 767 airline is made of 3,100,000 separate parts. The first fax machine was patented in 1843, 33 years before Alexander Graham Bell demonstrated the telephone. That's kind of amazing. I like to share cool facts. It doesn't matter whether it's about the body, about the world, about self, about machines. It's cool to learn. So, reminder, folks, if you haven't already mentioned it, what do you think about a tolerance break? What do you think I should do? How should I do it? If you've got suggestions, throw it at me. I'm willing to listen to anything. Tolerance breaks can be difficult. So I'm looking to all of you to help me through it. And maybe some of you will join me on it if it so fits your schedule. So friends, peace and cheers, love and harmony. Look for someone without a smile today. It's Friday. Let them start their week right. Give them your smile. It's beautiful. Peace.